Okay, students, so welcome to the class again. This is our unit 12 second session. Okay, second section. In first session, we have studied about a few types of that methods, few methods to separate mixtures, and uh, we thoroughly once we go. Okay. mm, Okay, in this class we have studied about mixture. Mixture. There are two types of mixtures. One is that homogeneous mixture, and another is heterogeneous mixture. At first, mixture more than two materials mixed together, that is called mixture, and they do not react chemically. They do not combine chemically, and their original properties are not lost. That is mixture, and they are separated by physical means only. About that we have studied, and in modes of separating mixtures, there are many techniques, and in this chapter we'll discuss about few methods of separating mixtures. They are evaporation, sublimation, centrifuging, and crystallization. Only these, about these four methods we'll discuss today. Okay, and others, these are filtration, magnetism, decantation, extraction and evaporation, chromatography, and distillation. About these methods we will not discuss in this class. We'll discuss in upper classes. Okay, in this class we'll discuss about only four methods: evaporation, sublimation, centrifuging, and crystallization. We'll discuss about only these four methods. About only these four methods, we'll discuss these four. Okay, about these four methods. Okay, then let's start. Uh, the first method is evaporation. Evaporation. Evaporation means when liquid is heated within certain temperature or beyond certain temperature, that liquid changes into vapor. And this method is called evaporation. And when liquid is evaporated, when liquid is converted into gas, that gas moves up in the air, and the solid molecules which are mixed in the mixture, that is left behind in the container. That means, at first, what is evaporation? Evaporation is the type of vaporizing of a liquid that occurs from the surface of a liquid into a gaseous phase. That means from liquid, it is changed into vapor, the gas, and uh, then the other type of evaporation is boiling also, which is characterized by bubbles. In boiling, bubbles will grow up. Look here, you can see here, liquid is converted into vapor. If the process is very slow, like drying of our cloth, we wash our cloth and put in sun heat. Then after a few hours, our cloth becomes dry. Then that is very slow process. That is very slow process, and that is just vaporization. That is just vaporization. Slow process. But if we boil water, if we heat water or any liquid by using heat, we can use fire, we can use gas stove, etc. and that is called boiling. That means that means uh, vaporization is vaporization is slow process and boiling is fast process. Vaporization means slow process, drying of wet cloth. It is slow process, slow process. Yes, and boiling means fast process. Boiling of water. Water. It is fast process. Fast process. Fast process. Anyway, whether we uh, vaporize or whether it is boiled, liquid is converted into gas, and in the container only solid particles is remained, and by this process we separate uh, solid parts dissolved in liquid, mainly in water. Okay, then evaporation that occurs directly from the solid phase below the melting point is commonly observed with ice at below. That means ice is melted into liquid water, and water is evaporated into gas form. By this method, we uh, we we observe that liquid is converted into vapor, and vapor is gone to the uh, sky. It escapes. Okay. In this way, we can separate uh, solid particles from liquid. Okay. Mm, then what happened? Hello. Anybody touching in the screen or doing annotation, trying to write? In my screen, it is not working. Who is doing the annotation process? Not working. Hello. Hello, students.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Are anybody trying to write on the screen?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
My page is hanged over here, not working. Okay, then. Okay, let's try. What happened? Okay, I cancel this. Okay, not working. Okay, then I try again. Okay.